Isang bagong strain ng COVID-19 ang natagpuan sa United Kingdom. Mas mabilis daw itong makahawa kaysa sa unang strain ng COVID na mayroon ng mundo simula noong Marso. Inoobserbahan din ngayon kung mas nakamamatay ang bagong strain na ito ng coronavirus. Kaya ang buong England ngayon binalik sa mas maigpit na lockdown. Narito ang report. Isang bagong variant o strain ng COVID-19 ang kumpirmadong nakita sa United Kingdom. Ito daw ang bagong uri ng coronavirus na kumakalat ngayon sa England. Mas mabilis makahawa at inaalam pa kung mas nakamamatay.
There is strong evidence now that the new strain is spreading substantially and significantly more quickly than the strains of the virus that we have been dealing with up to now. And that evidence suggests that it could be up to 70% more transmissible than previous strains of the virus.
Kaya kanina agad na ibinalik ni Prime Minister Boris Johnson ang lockdown sa UK dahil sa panganib na dala ng bagong uri ng COVID.
Given the early evidence we have on this new variant of the virus, the potential risk it poses, it is with a very heavy heart. I must tell you, we cannot continue with Christmas as planned. In England, those living in Tier 4 areas should not mix with anyone outside their own household at Christmas.
Kabilang sa lockdown ang London at South East England, pati ang biyahe sa pagitan ng Scotland at UK ay sinarado na rin.
In order to reduce the risk of more of this strain being imported into Scotland, we intend to maintain a strict travel ban between Scotland and the rest of the UK. Unfortunately, and I am genuinely sorry about this, that ban will remain in place right throughout the festive period. We simply cannot risk more of this new strain entering the country if we can possibly avoid it. That means people from Scotland not visiting other parts of the UK and vice versa. Cross-border travel for all but the most essential purposes is not permitted.
Ngayon lamang araw, 27,000 ang bagong COVID cases ng UK at mahigit 500 ang binawian ng buhay. Pero ayon sa isang eksperto, hindi dapat maalarma ang publiko sa lumalabas na bagong strain ng COVID-19.
So I think the average member of the public on the street shouldn't worry too much about this. Okay, I don't think it's a major issue. I think it's interesting from a virologist point of view, looking at how the mutation changes over time, but it doesn't really affect clinical severity. It almost certainly doesn't affect the vaccine response and protection.
Gayunpaman, patuloy na pinag-aaralan ng mga eksperto ang bagong strain ng coronavirus. Inalarma na rin ang World Health Organization tungkol dito. Pero nakikita ng mga eksperto sa UK na ang bakuna para sa COVID-19 ay epektibo pa rin laban sa bagong strain ng coronavirus.